Hi guys, so today is 11th October and this is my video journal entry. So today was a peaceful and also like very productive day. I woke up at around 6 and so I had decided that I'll go on a long walk today with my friend. So we wanted to start by 7 but we started at 7:30. Before that my uh, cook came. So my cook made for breakfast it was Maggie. For lunch it was just 4-5 brown breads with cauliflower and onion tomato sandwiches. Then for dinner it was what was it? Yeah, I skipped dinner. So yeah, that was the food, and I had a good walk. I had a nice good walk, and we walked around 6-7 kilometers. We spoke about a lot. We spoke about career, about love, about family. The main things, the main umbrella of life. On Then we went to then I went to his house, and his mom made a poha for us. So I had poha, chai, spoke with my friend's mom. He's getting married, so he was all thinking, like talking about the arrangements for the marriage and all. I also thought that I should also, I paid interest to it because he's a close friend, and also I wanted to learn for my marriage. But the truth is that I wish that I don't have a big marriage. I want to have a small ceremony of close friends, and I don't want that the big wedding things. I want to keep it small, keep it close. So yeah, अगर मेरा बस चले तो उसको रिलीजियस भी नहीं करूँगा, मतलब लाइक court marriage would be the best thing that can happen to me. So yeah, so I we spoke, and we had a good discussion. I came back to my house at around 2:30, and I was like I had walked around 8-9 kilometers till then. So I had a bath and I slept off. Woke up at around 4, and then I started studying for my certification. I'm doing this certification as I've already told. So I was studying for that. One thing is that I'm forcing myself to be disciplined, even if I don't feel like doing something, even if I don't feel like studying. I force myself to study, because if you wait for that feeling that if I feel like studying, then I'll study. Then that feeling one day it will come, one day it won't come, and relying on that feeling is like uh, it's a very foolish strategy, because you can't your feeling is not dependable. It will not come at the right moment at the right time, as in that I want to do this, so I will feel like doing it. I need to run 10 kilometers, so I will feel like doing it. I need to study for my test. If I feel like doing it, then only I will study. If you focus on that, then these things will never work. So you should learn to not listen to your feelings, and like doing what is good for you. And this is like the go-to mantra of Captain Cool, MS Dhoni. I was listening to one of his interviews, and that is what he says, that uh, when you are in a problem, when you are in a situation which is a problematic situation, you should not do what you feel like, because you will mostly feel like you will mostly feel anger or anxiety. But you should do what your rational mind says, what is good for you. You should start with asking this question: what is the most helpful thing that I can do in this situation? What is the the most possible good that can happen in this situation, and how can I make it possible? And do that helpful thing. instead of, so basically develop that solution and centric thinking instead of a problem centric thinking. I used to think that how to think positive in a, people keep on saying that think positive in a problematic situation, think positive in a difficult situation, but I never thought, my mind could never understand what is positive. And now I understand that being positive is like a solution centric thinking. Instead of just focusing on the problem, that is negative thinking, you think positive. You think what I can do now to make the thing better. Positive thinking is also like being grateful. Like, okay, this wrong thing happened to me, but these good things are also with me. That is there. But I think the main gist of positive thinking is like solution centric thinking. So we had a discussion on this, and while studying this, when I motivate myself to study or like to exercise or to walk, I think on those lines. And today I made a new record for me. I walked around 20,000, 21,000 steps, around 10, 11 kilometers. So yeah, that felt really nice. And now, yes, so I was walked in the morning and for like 15, 16,000 steps, and I walked around 5,000 steps in the evening. The night started at around 7:30, 8, and walked till 9, 9:30. And yeah, there are some good places around my new house. So these places are like always full of people, and it always feels good to go there, look at people, not in a creepy way, but yeah, look at people and just observe them. And it's good to be around people. So yeah, I spoke to one of my friends also on phone. So yeah, it was a good day. Tomorrow again, I'll start with the office work. So yeah, Monday, Monday blues. It's not so much. The blue is not so intense because of the work from home situation. The work from home situation is like it's much better. I like working from home. I hope this keeps on continuing. Yeah. So yes. So that's the recap on the day, and the main points that I thought about. Really want to work very hard on the self-discipline part. That I guess is something which will help me in living a fulfilling life. I think कि जो मेरा जो सबसे जो best time था life का, that was when I was in 10th, 11th, 9th, 8th, when I was in school, and that I was like always in the present. I had a purpose. I kept on working on it, and I had like a rest also. I also did things which I like, but I was in the present. I had a purpose. I did not have any money, and I did not have like anything, but whatever little I had, I was happy, and happiness used to emanate from me. Like I was internally, I was happy, and I want that again, and I'm working on that. So yeah, that's it. Uh, that's it for the day, and I'll give a 7.5 to the day. It was a good day. So it was a good day. Good night, guys.